In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple payment options using Systeme.io. This walkthrough is perfect for those looking to offer customer convenience and flexibility by incorporating multiple payment methods into your Systeme.io platform. So let's jump right in and make sure you have those payment gateways up and running in no time. To get started, the first thing you need to do is access your Systeme.io dashboard. You'll want to visit the main login page, which is found at the Systeme.io dashboard login URL. Once you're there, you'll see the login fields waiting for you. Enter the email address and password that you have associated with your account. Double check the details you input to avoid any login issues. After entering your credentials, go ahead and click on the sign in button. This action will take you directly to your Systeme.io dashboard, where we will begin setting up your payment methods. Now that you're inside, you'll notice your profile picture in the top corner of the screen. Click on it and a drop down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. Within the settings section, look for the option labelled Payment Gateways and give that a click. Here you'll see various options for connecting different payment methods to your account. Let's start by integrating PayPal. To do this, you'll want to locate the PayPal option and simply click Connect. This action requires you to have a PayPal business account, so let's go over there now. Log into your PayPal business account using your credentials. Once inside, direct yourself to the Account Settings area. There, you need to find API Access under Account Access. You'll see an update link beside it. Go ahead and click on that. Look for the section dedicated to MVP SOAP API integration, Classic. This is where you'll be able to view your API username, API password, and API signature. Copy each of these details carefully, as they will be crucial for linking PayPal to your Systeme.io account. Now let's take those copied details and head back to your Systeme.io dashboard. You'll paste the API username, password and signature into their respective fields in the payment gateway setup for PayPal. Once done, hit the save button to ensure your details are stored securely. Additionally, if you wish to add another payment option like cash on delivery, the process is quite similar. Return to your settings via your profile picture and select Payment Gateways again. This time choose cash on delivery. It's vital here to craft clear instructions for your customers on how to proceed with cash payments upon delivery. Once you're satisfied with the instructions, click Save to implement this option. That's all there is to it. You now know how to add multiple payment options in Systeme.io, making your platform more dynamic and customer friendly. Feel free to use this method for setting up other payment gateways. Always ensure you have the right API credentials. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.